Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up UI copy and labels for better accessibility, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up UI copy and labels for better accessibility, start with understanding your audience. Research the needs of users with disabilities such as visual or hearing impairments. Use clear, concise language that is easy to understand. Avoid jargon and complex terms that could confuse users. Ensure that your text has a logical flow and is organized effectively. Choose a readable font and sufficient font size for easy visibility. Opt for high contrast colors for text and background to enhance legibility. Use descriptive labels that clearly convey the purpose of each element. Instead of click here, specify the action, like download the guide. Implement keyboard navigability so all users can access functionality. Provide alternative text for images and icons to support screen readers. Test your UI copy with real users, especially those with disabilities. Gather feedback to identify any unclear or confusing components. Revise the copy based on this feedback to improve understanding. Keep accessibility guidelines, such as WCAG, in mind throughout the process. Ensure that all updates are consistent across different devices and platforms. Regularly review and update your copy as your content evolves. By following these steps, you'll create a more inclusive and accessible user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.